Hello everybody, 9:41, 15 seconds, Tuesday, April 9th. This is the mini number 1 for the X-Men 94, the raw copy, and the 95, which is a 9.2 copy. Over here are the 14 filled spots. In this mini, whoever comes in first place will get the first 5 open spots in the main automatically assigned to them. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 automatically assigned to them. The spots are filled in order of availability. Okay, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 14. Going to randomize 14 times. Again, first place gets the first 5. Second place gets the next 2. And away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And here comes the final one. 14. Rob comes in first. He gets the first 5. Phil comes in second. Gets the next 2. Time is 9:42. 14